Hello, dear students in Department of Banking and Finance, third year, morning and evening, and students of Accounting Department, second year. This lecture is going to be a review about the functions in Excel that I gave you, financial functions. And today we're going to start with the future value, the FV and PV functions. So as a quick review, the first function we're going to use is the future value, the FV. And as I can see this example that I gave you in classes as well, it's a comprehensive example that shows all the arguments or parameters that we have in the financial functions. So the first and the most important thing you need to do to solve this is to read the question very good, read your make analysis and see what do I want here, and then convert these values into this table according to its correct appropriate place. And after that we're going to use the FV function to calculate the future value for this investment. Now, the first of all, this question is about calculate the future value. So the first thing I need to do is calculate the future value. And this is done by the FV function of an investment based on a periodic constant payments of $200. So my PMT is $200 and every month, and it's in a month. Number of payments is 10. That means 10 months. A constant annual interest rate is 6%. It's yearly, it's not month, so these two are not evenly. So we need to do something in the future value function. The present value, the PV, is 500, and as I said, it's going to be in minus because we're going to pay this money for the investment, and the payment is due to the beginning of the period. This is the type. So what do I need to do? As I can see, these are the payment is in month and the annual interest rate is in year. These are not even. This is very important. Now, what is the annual interest rate? As I can see, the annual interest rate here is 6%. So I'm going to write here 6%. After that, number of payments, I can see here that I have 10 number of payments, which is called the NPER. Amount of payments, because I'm going to pay it, so it's going to be out of my account, out of my pocket, and it's going to be in minus. So minus $200, and the present value here is 500. Also, I'm going to pay it, sorry, $500, and we can see the type of our payment is due to the beginning, and the beginning will be number 1. If it's end, it's gonna be number 0. So here I can see all these. How to do the dollar? You cannot write it by shift and number 4. No, you're gonna go select your values, go here and click on dollar United States. This is how you're going to do your dollar. I don't want anyone to write it by shift and number 4. Now, how do we calculate the FV? I'm going to go here for equal FV, double click, open the brackets, and I can see. What do I need here? I need rate. You're not going to write 6%. This is wrong. You're not going to do like that. Well, you're going to just click on this cell and that's it, because we're going to use cell reference here. Now after that, comma, or before comma, this is in year and this interest rate is in my payment, sorry, is in months. So what do I need to do? Divide by 12, comma, number of period is 10, comma, my payments, comma, my present value, and also my type. Close the bracket, and we're going to see this value. This value is the future value for this investment. So after I'm going to pay after I'm going to pay as a present value 500 or initial cost for 10 months, I have to pay 200 installments every month, and the interest rate is 6% due to the beginning of my period. The future value that I will gain after 10 months will be $2,581. This is about how to calculate the future value.